Namaste, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, listeners, learners, sportsmen, officials and professionals, and the most honorable, respected personalities, doctors, ministers throughout the world, from the field of science, religion, spirituality, commerce, arts, and engineering. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily, cordially welcome all of you. I praise your presence. I praise, I admire, I appreciate the presence of your mind while listening the science and spirituality through the words of realities. Today we will discuss great personalities, those who address us, those who make us able to do something good and fine for our nation, for our society, for our family, and for our mind, heart, and even for our soul. So there are many stations come among the different changes of classifications of the journey of life. For becoming a winner, what is the base of human soul? It is a topic which is required fundamentally as a doctrine and as a principle of life. In our life, all days are not the equal. All the sessions of the day is not equal, because time means temporary, nothing permanent, unstable, changeable. When we talk about the time, it means that is changeable. If we talk about the date, calendar, days, months, years, in the time we study, we read, minute, second, hours. This is just the classification for showing our temporariness, for showing our changes. Something great is there behind all these things, which is unchangeable, which is time immemorial, where there is no classification, where there is no division of the time, about which William Shakespeare strongly and staunchly provocated that love is that which is unchangeable, time is changeable. Something greater, higher we have in our life. Something it was, it is, and it is to come, and it will remain forever. We are talking about that truth of life. The truth is the second name of that power on which our national father, or in other words you can say father of nation, who has shown us the path of the truth and non-violence. I am a book lover. I have read many books, but the book that has impressed me